Today we're going to be talking about Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera, the beautiful EOS R. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion, and to never miss out on a video, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel and click on the bell to get notified when a new video is uploaded. If you want some one-to-one training, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So let's first talk about the pros. There's 30.3 megapixels. There's a flip screen, so that gives you some versatility when you're setting up your shot. Maybe you want to do a selfie with this. There's weather sealed. There's a battery grip, an SD card slot, so you don't have to spend the extra money on like a CFast card. You can just get a high-speed SD card. The touch and drag autofocus is amazing, so you can just really go to whatever spot that you want in focus in moments. The AF lens adapter, the Wi-Fi capability, and the autofocus is extremely quick. The face tracking and eye autofocus is amazing. If you have someone moving around a lot, like our little baby, you can track onto his face right away or track onto that eye, and it's going to get a really great shot. The dual pixel autofocus for video is probably one of the best that we've seen. Now some of the cons though. It does have 4K with a 1.7 crop. There's also no 1080 slow motion available, only 60p. And for slow motion, there is 120 frames, however, only at 720. And so it's not necessarily the best when it comes to video, however, it's extremely amazing when it comes to photo. And this is our go-to photography body nowadays. So we hope you enjoy a few more photos of our adorable little son taken with this EOS R. And if you're looking for a high quality photo camera with video capability that is mirrorless and full framed, this EOS R by Canon is something you should consider. Taylor here at Financial Potion, and if you have any questions about the EOS R, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Till next week, stay engaging.